So hi guys, it's early Black Friday now in Amazon, and if you are wondering what kind of waxing kit do you want to have this month, let me help you. Just visit the Tress Wellness store and there you will find the Tress Wellness waxing kit for 55 and 37 euros, which is easy to use with digital display. It is certified as a skin-safe product, 100% cruelty-free and made from all natural ingredients. With this wax kit, you can save time and money. It is perfect results for the body and face and great for coarse and fine hairs. No more expensive salon visits. Yes, you heard it right. Many home waxing kits aren't thorough, leaving hair behind so you're forced to go to pricey pro waxers. This kit gives the most effective home wax with 5 bean bags, 20 waxing sticks, 10 eyebrow waxing sticks, 1 pre and 1 post spray and 5 protective rings. It is super easy to use. No more burns, perfect temperature, digital display and auto shut off. Tress Wellness Waxing Kit has 19 new designs to choose from. This limited edition wax warmer kit offers the same consistent waxing results for our best-selling design with multiple design options. This waxing kit is suitable for everyone. No more irritation. Perfect for face and body hair. Good for all skin types. So let's try this out in this area. I already used the pre-wax spray to clean the area. The beads are already melted in the wax warmer. So now, let's apply in the direction of the hair growth and abruptly remove the wax in the opposite direction. This specially formulated wax has a smoother application to minimize irritation with natural ingredients and is safe for all skin types. Tress Wellness is excited to announce that they've already launched new Bikini Wax beads this month. It was a positive outcome and earned a bestseller badge on Amazon. The product has already been tested by some estheticians and received positive feedbacks. This Bikini Wax beads is formulated for coarse hair, best suited for bikini area waxing. Tough on hair but soft on skin. And yes, it is also dermatologically tested and certified. This Bikini Wax beads is fast melting and smooth application. That means less pain, less burning, less irritation, and less redness. And it only cost €19.94. For the finale, don't forget to prep and soothe your skin with the post spray. So what are you waiting for? Go to Amazon's Tress Wellness store and buy now. Tress Wellness. Everything you need for waxing. Thanks for watching.